So just to show why I took the original entry so I can illustrate it. 1 second. Try to do something on the side, man, but it ain't cooperating today. So all these brokers, man, a lot of these are pretty good. See, it's crazy. We couldn't do none of this back in the day. None of this. Sorry, I know I'm getting off topic, but yeah, you couldn't do half of this. If I remember, there used to be, oh, dang, I think there used to be either IG or I can't remember the name. I can't remember that bird bro actually trade. The one that say from here to our accountability, here. I don't really use TradeStation, but I can vouch for these platforms. They're pretty good. But anyway, as you see, everything is paper trading, demo account only. So in my own personal demo account, just practicing, having fun. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if I can show my executions. There we go. All right, so the video I showed earlier, I got in right here. But if I hadn't have ran the stop loss so close, because I was really just aiming for right up here, but it could have definitely yeah, that was my fault for running the stop loss too close because all this was accumulating down here. What made me get in it? Just an entry off this FVG right here. The better entry would have been for me somewhere in here. And I felt like could have my stop loss down here to cover me. If it did, hey, just got to deal with it. But even now, I kind of see something like it could be a reversal. Let's see. Let's see what it gives you. Let's see what I do. 7. This is basically what I was looking for. It's looking for. So I'm run my stop loss above here. I don't expect too much. Let's just see. This is fun. Man, just to keep in practice. Excuse me. Take that over. There we go. So let's see what we get. Let's take this execution off. They kind of in the way. There we go. I know. I ain't forget. I forgot. I don't really expect it to drop too low. If anything, if it do decide to drop, which could be temporary, could be. All I know is I'm not pretty sure. It's just demo. And don't trip off no demo account. If you gun ho for demo account, man, you got a long way to go. Not even real money. It's a whole different feeling. You start trading with your own money. Believe me. Whole nother fear, whole nother level of fear and anxiousness, and a whole nother level of excitement and joy. I got what I needed. Let's drop this back up. Check this. me yet. Mm. Don't down me yet. Yeah. All right. Actually, let me do this here. This don't need to be on the 15th. It'll be cool. On one of our wheels. What? Give y'all some little tidbits. Keep your charts clean. You know what I mean? Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna leave it where it is. You could move it inside here to right above it if you wanted to. It's up to you. Not a big deal. Once again, I don't really expect too much of a tracing. Really don't. But we'll see what happens. Because this discount initiated the move anyway, and it's way stronger. But like I said, past videos, I might have deleted that video. I didn't like it, man. A little too rough. My edges. It was kind of long anyway. But it's really a straight up, straight shot down type of game. How we were taught to believe, or how mainstream made you believe. Inside is no good. It's the biggest casino in the world, man. That ain't nothing but the truth. So we coming into the lunch hour. Cool. What made me take this? Because it ran into a high from overnight in London, and it began consolidating. I think I also had that in my video showing the shorts too. You're gonna look for consolidation. Like I wasn't too interested in the opening bell. I said, hey, if I miss that, I can wait till later, and it paid off. You know, one of my funded accounts is off size a little bit, just to be candid. I tried to short right here. I got, let's say I got stopped out. I saw it, cut the trade short, and took a buy. I got kind of tired, and I got on right here. I can't really show that one honestly. I might be able to. Nah, I'll say that for later. Say that for later. Keep that. You already know what concepts these are, so it's me practicing and studying, going through life, the ups and downs, just sticking with it and not quitting, man. And very few things happen overnight. Check it out. Yeah, I don't know, man. Because if it don't drop below this bearish candle right here, to me, that could show signs that either just wants to. I mean, it can still go sideways, but it can show signs that it's probably not done reaching up to the upside. But if it can drop down here, who knows? It probably just, do whatever. Never know, man. Never know. So just sit back and relax. Enjoy the show. Cheers the market. Underground pound don't stop. See what I mean? Yeah, I usually don't put stuff like this in this 2 minute, 15 or hourly chart. I'm just doing it for video purposes to illustrate. Once again, I want to see it drop below candle right here. Just push all the way down. That would be grand. That'd be smooth. Grand right there, man. Let's close this up a little bit. Try to keep my commentary to a minimum. It's more so for me to be honest with you. It's kind of how I sit through price action. Yeah, sit in silence, man. I'm trying best to let it out, man. Excuse me. Yeah, I've been up since 8 o'clock East Coast time, so where I'm at, it's about 5 o'clock. Been up a while. All right, so boom, like I was saying 2 seconds ago, my head not falling down here could be a sign that it probably wants to head back to the upside. But let's see if it feels this and busts back past this high and reaches up to here. That's probably what you might want to do. It's always want to watch. Like, I'm gonna just let it take me out. It ain't no big deal. It's just demo, like I said. It's how you practice and learn. But yeah, I was just taking it short just to see, just to illustrate some stuff. Because apparently, the shorts I took back here wasn't working, so I wasn't sure with my own funds or funded account. And I think, yeah, sometimes it's cool to, man, try it out and see, man. Just watch. All right, so it's wicking out of here. Let's see what we get, man. Let me stretch this out to 2 o'clock. I won't be here for 2, so actually I'm gonna shut this down a little bit. I just want to see. I wouldn't tell anybody to take a market execution. I rarely do that myself. But it was just to get in there and see. I don't recommend doing market execution, man. Don't recommend it. Now it's starting to try to, but it swept the lower of that candle. Let's see how far it pushes away from it. And we'll do it in a fast manner because to me, if we don't close up, we can form this fair value gap right here and it doesn't fill in. It could be a sign that it wants to go down lower. You know, you want to sit back and just watch, man. Too. Or FYI, 5 micros equals 1 milli. So depending on your broker, you do the math. Because I know at least for the people I'm with, you need at least $200 to open up one contract and close it. But depending on how far it goes against you, you won't be able to close it to hit your stop loss. So that's why I think I said a while back, well, in my longer video, you might want to have, I say, man, to feel comfortable, maybe 3,000 if you want to trade the micro. If all you got is 1,500 or 1,000, stick to the ES, micro ES, I mean. And that's micro S&P, which is, see, right here. Let me take a look at that. It's going down too. Caught some nice little scalp. Also a session trade, so I guess you say a day trade. Because you wouldn't had to been in here for about, got in here. Or the trade I took here, I started right here, 1118, didn't stop, hit my target until well, 30 minutes. That was quicker. Usually be longer than that. Alright, it's not. Didn't fill in, so let's see how it reacts to this gap. It already went inside and it's not pushing away fast. Let's see how it goes. Not really pressed for time, but I got stuff I like to do. So let's see. Let's see what we got here, Jack. I was pretty slow today, but like I said, you never know, man. And I've seen afternoon sessions, man, just go crazy. It's all about the program we in. Right? Another key time, 30-minute mark of the hour, or the day it delivers. It doesn't always deliver, but this is another key one. So what I'll do here is take some problems. Oh, we got one cool. So take off. Like I said, let's buy back three. You good. Okay, that's what I do for sure. That's funny. It's acting kind of silly on me right now. So. Oh, it did it. Cool. And just put my stop loss. So, damn, I forgot how much it would be. But anyway, put this right here. See if at least want to run down there. I could have let it run, but hey, it's just for fun. Hey, I can get stopped out like I did before. I think this is the hardest part, especially when you got funds in the line. Like it's easy to sit back and oh, I hope this trade is going against me. I hope it comes back. Yeah, it's easy to do that, but the hardest part is like, for me at least, it's like holding it, and having the patience to see if it hit, especially when price start gyrating around. You know what I mean? I'm getting better with it, but man, it used to be real hard. That's why I just took some off. I usually won't sometimes, most cases, but yeah. And if it starts me out, who cares? I got some. I didn't get the full portion of what I wanted, but I got some. So who cares? That's what's happening right now. Matter of fact, I just put it at break even. Even though you wouldn't want to do that, man, because yeah, you gotta at least cover your commissions when you take a trade. So, but this is just illustration of why sometimes it is good to take partials in certain situations. That's on you. However you want to do it. But matter of fact, we're taking partials. Unless I know I got a big runner, and I just leave one on. And honestly, this is the best way you can practice. That's why any platform you get on, they have a demo account that you can use. Just use it so you can practice, man, until you're comfortable. If you feel like you're ready, use your money. Don't jump into it. Take your time. All right, so now it's coming back up. And let's say, I held it. And honestly, if I knew we were in a bearish setting, if I seen it in price action, I probably would just leave my stop loss. I move it down to probably like right about here to give it room to maneuver. But for the move I just seen, and the area we came in and how it's projected right here, I'm not too sure if we exactly bearish. It looked like it's about to start consolidating. Who knows? Who knows? You never know. See what we get, Slick. Yeah, 9:45, man. I'm gonna just kill it. If you don't have a data feed for it, like you can get the 2 minute and the 1 minute off the basic, but if you like to want to drop down to the seconds and all that, you're gonna need to pay for the purchase the other plans. Then also the data feed, you have to pay for that. For the CME, Nasdaq, YM. Uh, Hold on, wait here, let me see. If I tell you, okay, so Nasdaq, S&P, and the Dow, included with the micros. You would just get the CME bundle from TradingView. For gold, you would need COMEX, gold and silver, COMEX. Oh, I forgot. I don't know how many people trade the Japanese index, but the Nikkei comes from CME as well. But it's a little bit tricky to trade. A lot to you. Uh, Micro, yeah, the micro. I just seen that too. I just learned you got the micro Euro USD futures, but I'm not really a fan of that. To be honest with you. Not really a fan of the price action on that one. You look at it, it just looks funny. Yeah, I'll just say that much. I'm not even saying anything. I don't want to deter nobody from what works for them. Who knows? That might be your niche. You know what I mean? It ain't mine. I just know it ain't mine. You know. There we go. Now, price help me out, man. Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It was a decent execution. It didn't quite hit the target, but like I said, I didn't really expect it to because, see, we had this nice leg up. This is on the 15-minute chart. So, yeah. So we probably, who knows? We might take this out and run it up. I mean, I'll leave all this here. And I'll take this half out. There we go. Hold shift. Stretch that out to right here. Not in the video, but when I get a chance, I'll post it just for records. But it'd be cool to see it, man. Get back stuff here. But anyway, y'all take it easy, man. I'm out.